sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts, yeah, going down. Sauce it down, sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts, yeah, going down. Every day I'm ballin', so you know it's scoring. Moving so important, my back is enormous. These niggas keep hating, this is their last warning. Met that girl at night, ooh, fuck her through the morning. No, girl, I'm sorry. Hang up, girl, don't call me. No, you will not have me caught up all up on Mari. Cash out, make it rain, no game Atari. Ride me like a Harley, only boy in the party. I was on the phone, yeah, I will play with Cardi. Come on, that's garçon, hearts all on my Cardi. I was in the Lamb Cardi, he was in the Rari. I'ma keep on flexing, you don't like me, then I'm sorry.
If I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never, I'm picking the first. You can't tell me that I won't make it. Knew that I had this skill since birth. Grinding, came out the mud like Roddy. I had no body, I came from dirt. Still can't fuck, I put in the work. Pinning a picture when I write lyrics. Don't call me a rapper, I'm really an artist. This wasn't by chance or luck. I took one shot and I hit my target. I'm not even yet in my prime. I'm not at 100, yeah, I'm still charging. They don't wanna see me win, but I know in the end I'm winning regardless. Sleepless nights, I was up in the stew, up in the booth trying to make me a hit. Even when I was feeling low, man, I kept on going, I weren't gon' quit. I can't wait for the day that I make it. Next in line, man, I feel like a king. My time will come, I just gotta be patient. Keep on pushing and take these risks. I made racks off putting my pain on tracks. racks. Grinding hard, tryna see more plaques. I've been going harder than ever, I don't have time to sit and relax. I've been putting in countless hours and still not near where I wanna be at. This year I'ma prove them wrong. They said that I can't, but I know that I can. If I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never, I'm picking a first. You can't tell me that I won't make it. Knew that I had this gift since birth. Grinding, came out the mud like Roddy. I had nobody, I came from dirt. Painting a picture when I write lyrics. Don't call me a rapper, I'm really an artist. It's weren't by chance or luck. I took one shot and I hit my target. I'm not even yet in my prime. I'm not at 100, yeah, I'm still charging. They don't wanna see me win, but I know in the end I'm winning regardless. If I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never, I'm picking a first. You can't tell me that I won't make it. Knew that I had this gift since birth. Grinding, came out the mud like Roddy. I had nobody, I came from dirt. Grinding, came out the mud like Roddy. I had nobody, I came from dirt.
How do you explain ever falling in love with a guy like me in the first place? And turn around and say that I'm the worst thing. I guess I'm the problem. And your meds never do no wrong. If I'm so awful, then why'd you stick around this long? And if it's the whiskey, then why you keep on pulling it off the shelf? You hate that when you look at me, you halfway see yourself. And it got me thinking, if I'm the problem, well, you might be the reason.
Montana man, Montana, Montana man. Oh my God, it's Montana man. I can't love no bitch 'cause I'm on money, yeah, I run it up. Sipping too damn much, I'm looking down, I got a stupid gut. Chillin' with the gang up in LA, oh yeah, we stupid up.
Fucking with my city. Put that shit on, we rockin' J's with true allegiance. Got a rubber set, you bangin' blood rolling 60. Pass the reposado. If he looking your way, then he is not my hoe. Off the dun, I go crazy, turn out psycho. Call the DUI, but it's okay.